Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yeah, guys. Yes, I've got this information for you for those of you that are living in ANNAPOLIS Road in USA. Come September 4th this year, 2022. Yes, Saheed Osupa, our homeboy, the king of music. Yes, he's going to perform live on 7593 Road, ANNAPOLIS. Yes, be there, okay? And then there's a special, what did I call it? Special, there is adjustment for you. For those of you that are coming, for those that are, getting the ticket on time, and for those that will come first, and for singles, for couples, and for the first 20 ladies that were singles. In fact, there are so many adjustments for you. You understand what I mean? So there's going to be a discount. So just go get your ticket, okay? There's going to be a discount. Don't miss it.
Saheed náà ni Saheed bàbá náà sọ a fi ti gbede o a fẹ́ sáré tẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ ètò kan sí tó máa lọ sí Nàìjíríà ní September 4th ìjọmọ̀pẹ̀ September 4th ní 7953 ANNAPOLIS Road 7953 ANNAPOLIS Road Ayami Global Concept ló gbọ́ àbọ̀ mbẹ́ o. Àwòdì Òṣùpá òkú o ẹ̀yọ́ lọ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀ máa ní wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ pé gungun gbígbẹ́ tún dìde ipa tẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé wà Amẹ́ríkà ègbé ni ẹ̀yẹ́ wẹ̀yìn pálí Amẹ́ríkà ẹ̀yẹ ni ọgbọ̀n orí ti ta ààbò gbélú Amẹ́ríkà mú dẹyẹ.
Nice one. Please watch out. We have some packages for first singles. We have 3 singles. We have gift for 3 singles. We have gift for 3 best couples. 3 best couples. We have to then first 20 ladies that will first come in on that day. They are going to pay just $20 at the door.